Nestled back up in the trees, overlooking the small town of Hood River, Oregon, Hood River East residence slides in amongst its evergreen neighbors. A challenging site with various constraints directed the positioning, function, and flow of this residence. With the need to house up to 6 to 7 collector vehicles, the owner's wonderful car collection was the main driving force that set the order of this project. Set into a gentle hillside, the lower-level garage is tucked into the existing terrain, daylighting to the west while completely buried to the east. Sharp lines and crisp materials define the presence of the residence, machine-like in presence, a nod to the engineering of the owner's beautiful cars. Day parking is at this level as well, leading to the main entrance. To the east, the upper tier of the property, lies the main building entry, landscaped courtyard with lap pool and separate outbuilding, a mini-me version of the main house. The main living level above, cantilevers past the lower-level garage, putting it into the shadows, downplaying its size. A predominantly white interior, anchored by a polished finished concrete floor, and accented with black walnut cabinetry, display the various pieces of art and memories from the owner's extensive travel history. Views out towards the Columbia River are captured by a massive sliding glass window wall that can completely disappear, letting the living area slide out onto the western outdoor deck. The main, upper level of the house is the owner's Shangri-La for day-to-day living. The central courtyard with a lap pool and fire pit is bound by the detached outbuilding to the east, creating a wonderful outdoor room. Here's a look at the plan of the house design.